Party news to the date of 26th of November 2019 year. At the 17th Conference of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Dosti District was held the report of the Chairman of Executive Committee on activity of the committee from the second half of 2017 to November 2019, and deputies of the conference expressed their views on the primary party organizations. Also, they were elected the members of the Audit Commission, Executive Committee and deputies of 12th Conference of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Khatlon region. At the same time, the head of the Department for Women and Youth Affairs of Executive Committee of the Regional Party, Dilafroof Abdullah, and the chairman of the district, Saidzoda Nur Muhammad, spoke on creative goals of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan, who considered satisfactory the report of Executive Committee. In conclusion, activists of the party who have made a significant contribution to the implementation of creative ideas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan were awarded the gratitude of the Regional and District Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. A political event dedicated to the President's Day and the anniversary of 16th session of the Supreme Council of the Republic of Tajikistan was held in the conference hall of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Kulob town. As responsible persons expressing their opinion about the importance of the 16th historic session of the Supreme Council of the Republic of Tajikistan and President's Day noticed that by 16th historic session of the Supreme Council of the Republic of Tajikistan, sensible son of nation Imam Ali Rahman was elected chairman of the Supreme Council of the Republic of Tajikistan. With the daily efforts of this glorious child of nation, Tajikistan saved from his proportion. In continuation, it was noticed that President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Imam Ali Rahman, is an example for the whole society, especially for teenagers and young people. Since from the first moment of activity as the head of state, he pays great attention to young people and constantly makes efforts to mobilize them on a creative and constructive path. One of the main tasks of the government and People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan is the future of the country, that he had overcome of the Islamic problems that is in the hands of young people, and therefore educate them in the spirit of patriotism, self-knowledge and national identity. As the event speakers noticed that we will practically implement the advice and guidance of the nation's leader Imam Ali Rahman and will contribute to peace and stability, national unity and protection of the achievements of independence. According to the action plan, there was conducted a political reading in the primary organization Kindergarten number 1 of Mir Said Ali Hamadouni district with participation of responsible employees of District Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan. Responsible persons of Executive Committee made a speech on training and education of younger generation in the spirit of patriotism, humanism, protection of national identity. The chairman of the primary organization talked on contribution of teachers in education of teenagers and in the spirit of self-identity, respect for national shrines and other parts of education adolescents. In honor of the Day of the National Flag of the Republic of Tajikistan was held a meeting in Educational Institution number 6 of Levakan town on the initiative of the Department for Women and Youth Affairs of Executive Committee of the town under the title We Defend the Motherland. The meeting was attended by veterans of various spheres of the town who had a warm conversation with people of upper classes. The speaker spoke about these shrines, which is evidence of the existence of the state and unity of nations. It was noticed that the respect for national flag is a reverence and pride for the national statehood, the past, present and future of the people, and is an important factor of national consciousness. It is gratifying that today this symbol of faith is a symbol of freedom and independence, creative and improvement, selfless work of our people for the prosperity of sovereign Tajikistan. According to the approved plan, the head of Representative Office of Public Youth Organization Creators of Motherland in Farfor district met with pupils of General Secondary Educational Institution number 16 of the district. The purpose of this meeting was to educate and guide pupils in the spirit of patriotism, science and self-consciousness in their minds. The head of public youth organization Creators of Mazalan in his speech noted that the leader of nation respected Emomali Rahman always considers youth the creative and driving force of society from the high tribunes. It should not be forgotten that patriotism and the progress of nation is achieved only by knowledge and education. Our ancestors fulfilled their mission, created a state and a nation for us. Now it is our turn, the youth. The future of this nation, this state is in our hands, so we need to study more science, read more books to improve our country. Was held in the primary organization Humo of Jalaluddin Balkhi district to consider priority areas of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan activity. The meeting was attended by senior staff of Executive Committee who spoke about preventing the entry of young people into terrorist and extremist groups, attracting young people to creative work, prevention of infectious diseases of HIV/AIDS. In particular, it was noted that the world community faced terrorist and extremist groups. Terrorism is one of the phenomena that have become a threat to the national security and statehood of each country. Currently, a terrorist group called Islamic State involves young people in their networks by any means and directs them to murder, executing of bombings. Riots and Islamists have repeatedly stressed that terrorist and extremist groups that carry out their terrorist acts under the name jihad have no connection to Islam. In continuation, responsible persons told about the correct adjustment of documentation in the primary organization and the primary tasks of the organization. Responsible employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan in Dusit district conducted a meeting with members of the primary organization tax inspection of the district. During the conversation, the officials expressed their views on priority areas of the party activity, including the upcoming important political campaign, elections of Majlis Wali of the Republic of Tajikistan and local majlises of People's Deputies, and stressed that the active participation of each member of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan is necessary for the implementation of creative party goals and an important political campaign, and we must show serious responsibility in the transparent and democratic conduction of this political event. In addition, in this process was held a reporting electoral meeting of the primary organization, and educated person was elected chairman of the primary organization. With participation of responsible employees of Executive Committee of People's Democratic Party of Tajikistan was held a political reading in the primary party organization registry office of Mir Said Ali Hamadani district. The officials of Executive Committees noted that high national feeling, self-knowledge and self-consciousness, patriotism and loyalty to the nation, water and land of ancestors are the key to security and stability of society, progress of the state and improvement of today's and future independent Tajikistan. In today's secular world, it is very important that our youth, as in the 19th of the last century, do not be deceived by propaganda dictators of the Tajik nation. They will always be vigilant and ready to protect the interests of the people of Tajikistan and the Tajik state.